Hey, what's up? It's Indy, and today I'm going to walk you through real quick how to use YouTube Studio on mobile to grow your YouTube channel on your mobile device. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to be alerted next time a video comes out. First thing you're going to want to do is download the YouTube Studio app. You won't be able to do any checking your analytics or things like that through the actual YouTube app. So go to your app store or whatever store you use for your particular type of phone, download the YT Studio app. Okay. Once you're in the app, you can use your profile picture button at the top right to switch between accounts. If you happen to have more than one, just hit the down arrow next to your channel name. Okay, back here at the dashboard, if you hit the hamburger menu in the top left, you can see your overall channel analytics by hitting the bottom tab and scrolling through for whatever you're looking for. If you want to see your analytics for your individual videos, just go back to the hamburger menu and hit the videos button. Now you can see all of your videos. Just tap on one, hit view more, and here you are with all of your different tabs for your different video analytics. Really simple to use. It is a little bit of a pain that it's separate from the YouTube Studio app, but at the same time it's a little bit convenient too, because if you don't want to look at your analytics, you don't have to in the YouTube Studio, or in the YouTube app rather. And that's that. Of course, you can just play around with it. You've got your comments and your playlists. Go back to your dashboard, and everything is in one place. Thanks for watching. I hope this was really helpful, and make sure you, again, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to be alerted for more information about how to grow your YouTube channel from your phone. See you later.